Welcome to RAThbun's YouTube channel. Hey, I want you guys just to pretend like you're one of my friends, if you're not already. I want you to sit down here with me with a cup of coffee, take maybe 10 minutes out of your morning, and check out this video coming up. Because I'm going to do some reviews on different things, and I think you're going to like this next little item. And I'll tell you the truth about it. I will check it out, and if I don't like it, I'll always add something to the comments in the videos. So, hope you enjoy this next video and learn a little bit, my friend. Well, good morning, guys. Hey, I already started opening this, and I thought, well, wait, I'm going to show you guys this. Trying out my new little studio here. All right, what we got here, I guess, haven't looked at it. I know what I ordered. Let's see if it's what I ordered. Thanks again, Spanky, for the knife. Man, how do you open? Maybe it's this end. Well, they don't want you in it, do they? All right, well, we're gonna just open it up. What it is I just show you. I'll show you there. Bought this off of Amazon because you've seen the motorcycle. You've seen how dirty that was underneath. Now, I don't know why I got all this stuff with it. I got it. What's that? Am I going to be sewing something? It looks like something you'd sew rip stitches out with. I don't know what it's for. Got some Teflon tape. I don't understand that one. Okay, what this is, got O-rings. Don't know where they go. I don't know why you would need any of that. Maybe there's instructions here. Teflon tape, yeah. And you put Teflon tape around there. Why the heck would you do that? Auxiliary tool for removing broken O-rings. That's what that is, an O-ring remover. Don't got one of them. Why would I need an O-ring? I have never used an O-ring on one of these, but we throw it all in the box. What it is, goes on my pressure washer, and like this, you're just using normal. But if you want to, does this push it? Oh, it pulls up. You can get underneath that bike or a car. You hook this on so your nozzle's coming straight in, and then your little jet is going up that way. I mean, not your wand is going this way, your jet is going up that way, and you can get underneath stuff. Otherwise, you can't. So I started thinking about that the other day. Matter of fact, I tried to make one. Well, it didn't work. Anyways, this was only like 16 bucks, as you can see. Oh, it says pull on it. Let's go hook it up. I mean, I'll put the name right here, where I got it from. Got it, like I said, 100% refund if you don't like it. But this should plug right into there. I guess that O-ring could go back there if it leaks. It looks like there's one back there. But anyway, let's go plug it in. I need to wash the bike anyway. But it's 98 degrees out. So, yeah, I'm going to be wearing shorts. Sorry. You guys going to have to look at my legs. Maybe. I might not show you. Anyway, I'll show you how this works for sure. Hang on here. Let's do it. Yeah, when I got my fitting here, Hank got his stuff too. He gets online, orders that from Chewy. Oh man, I'm glad he's got his own credit card. Anyway, here's that nozzle. There's where it goes. And then this piece goes in here. Now, I see no reason once I hook this to that to take it off. I'm just going to, yeah, I do. It won't fit in my holder. Maybe I'll have to make a new holder. Anyway, that's where that's going to go. I'll figure out some place to store it. And we found out where them goes. Remember? I didn't know when I was making that first video all that. This has filters in it. And it has little O-rings in it. What a neat little device. for that kind of money. That's a lot of tooling for the 16 bucks. Yeah, and I got it overnight, so yeah, it probably was. I don't know if it was made in America or not. If I can find out if it was made in America, I will tell you about that, because that's why I like to buy stuff, but sometimes you can't. Anyway, we're going to get the pressure washer all hooked up, and that's how that looks. So I get drag the pressure washer out, back the bike out of here, out there. Here we're going to clean the thing. It's full of bugs too. Still not leaking oil. No oil leaking under it. We got that fixed. Did we got any oil at all? None. I like it that way. So let's back that out, get that washed off, and we'll check that out. Like. Oh yeah, looks cleaner than it did. I can't see it because I'm you know, I ain't laying down. But it looks a little cleaner than it did. I think if a guy did that every time, you'd knock all that off of there sooner or later. But that dirt is cooked on. There you can see part of it still on there. But I'll do that every time I wash it now and kind of keep the oil off and try to get the rest of the dirt off. That's the only drawback that I seen. Oh, wait a minute, where'd you go? Yeah, that's the only drawback I seen is whew, it's hot. You can't see what you're doing, so you just kind of hit and miss. But I noticed another thing when I was doing it. That thing has got, when you put that on an angle, hang on to it. She's got some power. Now, another thing I've tried this time, I used my old Tide bucket there and I put the soap in it. And what I'm using now is I'm using, what the heck? I'm using some laundry detergent. Let me take a look and see what that is. There it is right there. I had to come in the house. Yeah, it's Tide. I'm using Tide to wash that thing with because a guy, I was an old trucker, and he said that that's what they use to keep their fleet clean. Thought I smashed my dog. That's what they use to keep their fleet clean, because you don't have to wipe it off. And I'm using soft water anyway on this bike. So the soft water and the Tide is supposed to not leave spots. We'll see. I know it's helped out on the other rigs I've used it on. I used it on this one. But I'm going to use that nozzle also underneath the Jeep because it gets full of dirt up in there. So anyway, I think that's going to work. Definitely another tool in my tool chest. All I gotta do is figure out where I'm gonna mount that thing on here, but I'll figure that out for sure. Anyway, that's the end of this video. I like it. Pick yourself up one if you have one of these. And make it awful easy to get underneath your car or truck or whatever you got to spray it off. I think if I'd have held it more on there and known what I was doing, had a big mirror, that would really help. But it did a little bit. It got the grease off. There's still some stuff packed on. But as far as the wet oil, it's gone. That's what I was looking for. So anyway, here's the link. I'm affiliated with Amazon, so if you buy it with this link, $16, I'll make a penny and a half. So every penny and a half helps, don't it? You know what to do. Follow this guy's instructions right here. If you'd like to help out this channel by supporting it, joining Patreon, it's only $3 a month. There's a tab at the top in the right-hand corner. Just click that link. You will get bonus videos plus all of these videos earlier. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, now's the time to do it because it is absolutely free and you will get notified of any upcoming videos. Thank you.